The purpose of this video is to illustrate how an employee of Southern West System BOCES would view their employee demographic data, including contact information, home address, date of hire, and emergency contact information on Wincapweb. If you need instructions on how to log into Wincapweb, please watch the video entitled Wincapweb Login Instructions. Once you have logged into Wincapweb, you'll be directed to the employee self-service page illustrated here. To view your demographic data, click on the sixth option down from the top entitled My Employee Demographics. To view your actual data, scroll down the page. To make any changes to the data shown, click the Edit button and make the necessary changes. Please remember to click Update to ensure changes are electronically submitted to the Human Resources Department for approval. The Human Resources approval process may take 1 to 2 work days. Once Human Resources approves the changes, it will be reflected on this page. To return to the main Employee Self-Service webpage, click on the Employee Self-Service link located at the top of the screen.